And we're going to be continuing that discussion as far as discrepancies in the death toll is concerned. We were first discussing Delhi, that's a huge number, but now the Maharashtra government has admitted to the same as well. They have started a process of reconciliation of COVID data to get the figures right here. There have been several instances of death that were shown because of comorbidity conditions, so it was not recorded as a COVID death. State government is now conducting this major exercise of reconciliation of the existing data. State government expected to clear the picture here in about 2 days' time on why these discrepancies have taken place. It is consolidating data which has come from district collectors. We have with us our deputy news editor, Mayuresh Ganpati, getting us further inputs here. Mayuresh, this is yet another state, yet another big city, Mumbai, which of course has the largest figures, but this is an overall discrepancy of across the state of Maharashtra here. 2 days is what the Maharashtra government says it would take, but that's a huge cross-checking back and forth of all data from across a huge state of Maharashtra.
Yes, Maharashtra government will be checking each and every case because they have asked for reconciliation data or reconciled data from the district collectors, which they have got it. We have been given to understand. And for next 2 days, there will be a thorough check which will happen because the reason what we have been given to understand is that at many cases where the comorbidity, the patient was with the comorbidity, he was admitted and he was COVID positive. But when he died, the reason was shown as a comorbidity and not as a COVID. So after Maharashtra government found that there are several such instances which have taken place, the Chief Secretary of Maharashtra, Ajoy Mehta, had ordered a few days back asking all the collectors to submit their data by evening of 15th of June, which is today. So we have been given to understand that the collectors have submitted all the reconciled data, and now the team at Mantralay will be consolidating that data, and they will be going case by case and they will compare it. So we have been given to understand that Maharashtra government right now is not aware of it, aware of the exact discrepancy number, whether there are 400 cases or whether there is a difference of 300 or 100. But after 2 days, they said we need at least 2 days to get the exact data.
Okay.
Within 2 days, we'll come to know that what exactly is the discrepancy, whether it's whether there are more cases which have happened or the cases are perfectly reported. So it will take at least 2 days' time.
All right, so this is what the government has explained and part of the process that Mayuresh was helping us understand as well on how this discrepancy has come about. Many thanks for getting us those inputs. Another big state, Maharashtra, needs to get its numbers right there. With that, it's a wrap on the show. Stay on with us. More news and updates in just a bit.